Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly cancel an Amazon order. Whether you bought the wrong size, changed your mind, or clicked buy now by accident. Okay, before you start, how do Amazon cancellation work? Amazon only lets yourself cancel an order for a short time, usually around 30 minutes after checkout, or until the order moves to shipping soon or shipped. Once it's already packed or in transit, the cancel button disappears. But don't worry, you still have options later. Step 1. Let's go to our Amazon account. Once you've logged in, if you already have your orders, go to your order. If not, let's go ahead and try to buy an item for this tutorial. Okay, let's go ahead and click buy now. So I placed an order for this item. This is the item that we will choose to cancel. Let's go to our carts or your orders. Click on view or edit the order. Once you're in the view or edit the order, go and look for the cancel item or cancel order. If you see that button, it means the item has not been processed or shipping yet. Click it right away. Then, in this stage, it will ask you for a reason for cancellation. Let's go ahead and choose our reason. Let's say I need to change my payment method. Okay, now tick this box right here. Then request for cancellation. And just like that, we have successfully canceled our order. Amazon will then send you a confirmation email. Also, if you ordered by card, refunds usually process fast because they don't fully charge your card until the item ships. Now, what are we going to do if the cancel button is gone or no longer available? That means the order is already moving. If you no longer see the cancel button, that means it's already packed, has a tracking number, or it's already on the truck. You can't cancel it anymore. But you still have 3 ways to get a refund. The first way is to refuse the delivery. When the driver arrives, just say, I refuse the delivery or I have canceled the order. They'll return it automatically. Once Amazon receives it, you'll get a full refund. The second option is the locker trick, or Amazon Logistics only. If the item is shipped by Amazon Logistics, sometimes you can change the delivery address to an Amazon locker. Then don't pick it up. After 3 days, Amazon auto-returns it. After 3 days, Amazon auto-returns it and refunds you. This works mostly in the US. Option 3 is the standard return. Once you have received the package that you wanted to cancel, go to your Amazon account, click on your order, click return or replace item, choose a reason like I've accidentally ordered this, then print the return label. And the final step is follow the drop-off instructions. Simple and guaranteed. And if you need extra help, if something still doesn't work, you can contact Amazon directly on the Amazon website. They can sometimes cancel or refund depending on the situation. And that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.